Hello, Chili Champs. I hope you like the snow because it's going to be with us for a while. I want to share some things with you about how to follow the school rule of be safe while playing in the snow. And I'm going to start with all the things you can do. You can go sledding. We have enough sleds for a whole class to be able to go at one time. And there are two different hills. There's a bigger hill near the backstop and a little bit smaller hill over near the sandbox. And both of those are okay to go sledding on. You can make things with the snow, like Olivia did here making this snow person. Or Ava and Colton did with their sister, this whole snow family. You can make a snow dog like Charlotte did. And if you have food coloring, you can make a snow turtle like Ben did. You can throw snow, but you have to throw it in a very specific area on the playground, and that's over in the corner where the targets are. And you have to throw the snow at the targets. You can't have a snowball fight and throw snow at other people. It's unsafe. If there's a chunk of ice in the snowball, somebody could get really hurt, or if you miss and hit somebody who doesn't want to be hit, that's not very kind. So if you throw snow, it has to be at the targets. You can catch snowflakes on your tongue like Perkins did. Or you can do my favorite, make snow angels. Yep, that's me making a really big snow angel. Now there are also some things you can't do. One of the things you can't do at school is make a snow cave. The reason is, in order to make a snow cave, there needs to be a grown-up right there the whole time. Because if the snow cave collapsed, meaning that all the snow fell down on you, that might sound like it would be fun, but it would actually be very unsafe because it would be hard to breathe and dark, and if there wasn't an adult right there to help you get out, you could get really hurt. So that's why we don't allow snow caves at school. If you do a snow cave at home, make sure there's always a grown-up right there. The other thing you can't do when the orange cones are out is go near the building. The reason for this is snow and ice can pile up on the roof, and when it falls off, it's so big and heavy, somebody could get really hurt. So the cones will help remind you to stay away from the building. There are also times certain parts of the playground have to be closed. If you'll see the tetherball, and we use cones to remind you of this too, that is all ice around the tetherball. And what can happen is if you slide on the ice and hit your head on that metal post, you could get really hurt. So we'll put cones out from time to time to remind people to stay away from certain parts of the playground. But there are so many things you can do in the snow and have fun. We are really, really lucky to live in Vermont where we get to play in the snow. Not all people in this country get to do that. So when next time you're outside, enjoy the winter.